Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel. This is kind of a crucial video, dire. I have these little worms just like crawling around in my soil and I don't know what to do, so please, if you're interested in seeing what worms I'm talking about, then keep on watching. Guys, what is this? This little worm here. And then there's another one right there. Like, please, I've thrown... put them in like hot water. Like over here I have them like in hot water. I don't know what the heck these are. Again, they're like swimming in here. So I'm gonna isolate this plant. It's my this sort of philodendron. I'm gonna, oh my god, there's more. Look at this. Grossed out. So grossed out. Triggered. So triggered. Oh my god, what is this? So I seriously don't know if they are hot worms or I am so triggered, like so grossed out. Yeah, I don't know what they are. I'm not scared of bugs, I just don't know what they are. So I've isolated this plant from everything else until I pretty much figure out what these are. If they're pot worms, if they're like centipede worms or millipede worms, or I mean maggots. So yeah, if you guys have any just like comments, or if you know what these are, please let me know, guys. Thank you so much. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Comment, please, help. Subscribe, help. Cookie fam, please.